G cars.
State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted.
Okay, this is the first coat before they do some sanding to get this thing straightened out. And this is the back. You can see the quality is pretty good, even though we're in the middle of the dust and the sand.
By painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted. No, you're having a reaction. Oh, tonight we lose it all. We let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire.
What is up, BBG team? Today I'm over here just chilling at the beach. Well, actually at the ocean, as you can see. The escape is almost done, and we got to do a little more things to it before it's done, and it should be ready to go. I'll get that to you ASAP as soon as it's available, that information. As for now, just want to let you notice, show you the extent of the, you see it? You see the garbage down there? That's ridiculous. Extent of the pollution in this country. You know, it's pretty bad. I mean, such a beautiful world, and we're just trashing it like that. That's pretty bad. I want to bring awareness to the littering going on in the Philippines and practically all parts of Southeast Asia. And we need to change, guys. We really need to change. So it's bad for all of us. So back to the car. As soon as the Ford Escape is done, we're going to do another project. Okay, so if you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget. Okay. Tell all your friends we're going to have a lot of new and different projects here in the future, and lots of different kinds of cars, and videos about Daisy and the Orient Express, and videos of the Mustang. Daisy is the newest project that we have. It is a Chrysler Cordoba, 1977. It's going to get V8, twin turbochargers, and a lot of power. Stay tuned for that one. And lots of modifications to those cars, okay? So don't forget, and do your duty. like, share, subscribe, so you can get the first, the news first and the first updates. Okay? And I got a big truck coming in right behind me. You see it? Holy shit. Yeah, it's coming this way. So I got to get out of the way. All right. It's a big one. You got it? You got it. Holy shit, that thing must weigh 40, 50,000 pounds. Thanks for the warning. That was a cool guy though. Felt the earth shake from that one. Holy smokes. So, yeah. Take care of the world. Take care of the earth. We only have one. So, you know, it's the only earth that we have, and the only place we have to live. It's so beautiful. We just don't have another planet to go to. You know that. Do your duty and take care of the environment. We're going to do many kinds of road trips with these cars when they're complete. So they're going to get done one by one. But enjoy our adventures with them. We're going to have fun. We go all over the place in the Philippines and wherever. And then enjoy the scenery. Enjoy the road trips with them. And have a lot of fun. Alright, so join in and join the action. Stay with us. Episodes. And have a good time along with us, and we'll take you with us. DBG out.
'Cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in